Avalanche value equivalent to $26.7913 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 26.5671 28.9249. The earlier day close, 28.6685. The change was 1.8772, 6.55%. Backwards rate, US to Avax. Avalanche conjecture for October 2024. At the outset cost at $17.8907. Excessive cost 19.510, while low cost 16.9572. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 18.1479. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 18.2336. Change for October 1st, 9%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost cost at $18.2336. Exorbitant cost 18.2336, while low cost 14.2441. The found the middle value of cost 16.5069. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 15.3162. Change for November 16%. Avalanche estimate for December 2024. First and foremost cost at $15.3162. Exorbitant cost 19.0105, while low cost 15.3162. Be arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.8524. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 17.7668. Change for December 16th. %. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2025. Before all else cost at $17.7668. Excessive cost 22.0522, while low cost 17.7668. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 19.5488. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 20.6095. Change for January 16th. %. Avalanche figure for February 2025. Before all else cost at $20.6095. Excessive cost 22.8890, while low cost 19.8942. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 21.1961. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 21.3916. Change for February 3rd. 8%. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2025. At the outset cost at $21.3916. Excessive cost 26.5513, while low cost 21.3916. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 23.5372. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 24.8143. Change for spring 16%. Avalanche conjecture for April 2025. At the outset cost at $24.8143. Excessive cost 30.7995, while low cost 24.8143. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 27.3032. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 28.7846. Change for April 16th. %. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2025. In the first place cost at $28.7846. Exorbitant cost 35.7274, while low cost 28.7846. The found the middle value of cost 31.6717. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 33.3901. Change for May 16th. 0%. Avalanche gauge for June 2025. To start with cost at $33.3901. Exorbitant cost 36.3892, while low cost 31.6280. The found the middle value of cost 33.8540. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 34.086. Change for June 1st. 9%. Avalanche cost expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at $34.086. Exorbitant cost 37.8447, while low cost 32.8931. The found the middle value of cost 35.0288. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 35.3689. Change for July 4th. 0%. Avalanche conjecture for August 2025. At the outset cost at $35.3689. Excessive cost 37.9973, while low cost 33.0257. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 35.4759. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 35.5115, change for August 0.4%. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2025. At the outset, cost at $35.5115, excessive cost $38.7311, while low cost $33.6635. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $36.0259. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 36.1973, change for September 1st, 9%. Avalanche estimate for October 2025. First and foremost cost at $36.1973. Exorbitant cost $40.2804, while low cost $35.01. They found the middle value of cost $37.2832. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 37.6452, change for October 4th, 0%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2025. First and foremost cost at $37.6452. Exorbitant cost $40.6329, while low cost $35.3165. They found the middle value of cost $37.8923. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 37.9747, change for November 0.9%. Avalanche figure for December 2025. Before all else cost at $37.9747. Excessive cost $42.2058, while low cost $36.6836. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $39.0772. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 39.4447, change for December 3rd, 9%. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at $39.4447. Excessive cost $39.4447, while low cost $31.8135. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $36.2278. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 34.2081, change for January 13.3%. Avalanche figure for February 2026. At the outset cost at $34.2081. Excessive cost $42.4591, while low cost $34.2081. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $37.6392. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 39.6814, change for February 16th, 0%. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2026. To start with cost at $39.6814. Exorbitant cost $39.6814, while low cost $30.9991. They found the middle value of cost $35.9236. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 33.3324, change for spring 16%. Avalanche gauge for April 2026. To start with cost at $33.3324.